This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're dressing up. Come on. Dressing up. Today is Vinda's Knights and Princesses party, and we're going to dress up and be knights. Look at me, Tim. I'm a knight. Ah! 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 Do you know, Louise, Ray and Andy Anderson are all going to be knights as well. I don't mind. I'm a red knight.
Come on, Tim. I've got your green knight costume ready for you to try on.
In a minute, Mummy. Hurry up, Tim.
Oh.
Quack, quack, quack.
Hello? Okay. Oh, I see.
Come on, Tim. Please, can you try on your knight's costume now? No, I just want to finish my game.
No, don't worry. Yep, we will take very good care of Tony. Okay, bye. Oh, what wonderful news.
What is it, Mummy?
Tony Welch's mum is about to have her baby. She's on her way to hospital now.
Wow!
So Tony is coming to our house. His dad's going to drop him off.
Great! Will Tony come to Vinda's party as well, Mummy?
Yes, you've all been invited. So we can all go together.
I wonder what Tony will be dressed up as. Probably a knight. I look out for Tony while Tim plays. I can see a car! It's Tony! He's here, Tim! And he's wearing... Oh, he's in his normal clothes.
Hi, Tony, in you come. Good luck at the hospital.
Hi, Tony. Hi, Topsy. Hi, Tim. Hello, Tony. Where's your costume? My mum didn't have time to make one, so I'm going to go like this. Good. I'm going like this too. But everyone will be dressed up, apart from you two. I don't mind. I don't mind either.
It's up to you two boys, but we're leaving for the party soon.
You could choose something from our dressing up things, Tony. No, thanks. My next party is going to be an animal party. What animal will you be? A horse. I'll be a horse too. Like this one. I've got an idea for Vinda's party. Come up the stairs. Okay. Come on, Tony. Here they are. You need these, Tony. Tracksuit bottoms? What for? We're going to be a horse for Vinda's party. A knight's horse. How are we going to do that with these? Well, with my two legs wearing these and your two legs wearing those, makes 1, 2, 3... 4 legs. The 4 legs of a horse. Oh, I see. I'll be the horse's front legs. You can be the horse's back legs. This is going to be fun. Put them on, Tony. Tim, what are you doing? Tony would dress up for Vinda's party. Please. Yes.
Tim, we'll be leaving for Vinda's party in 10 minutes.
Okay, Mummy. I found my horse's head. Cool. Can you stick these eyes on for me? I'll go and find a tail. Great! Now let's use one of Dad's long football socks as the tail. I'll hold the horse's tail at the back. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy.
You tell the boys we're ready.
Tim, Tony, it's time to go! We're coming! Let's practice walking. Ready? Ready. Left, now right. Left, right, 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 left, right. Hurry up, you two! Wow! Hey! Hey! Mummy, look! You're a horse!
Tim, Tony, what a fantastic costume! I'll help you down the stairs. Wait there. We need to be very careful.
We're still getting used to walking together.
I'm sure.
Are you okay back there, Tony? Yes, thank you. Slow down a bit. I'm sorry I didn't wear your Green Knight's costume you made me.
Well, that's okay. I think your horse costume is much better. I hope you want to be a knight another time.
Yes, please.
Now, I think I should take a photograph of you all. What do you think?
Yes!
Okay, come on round here. Grab my camera.
Why don't you go round here so Mummy can see you?
Perfect. You get yourselves into good positions. Come round here for me. Tony at the back. Lovely, are we?
Tossy.
Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, smile.
Hey.
Perfect. Now, who's ready to go to a party?
Me, I am. No, I'm a red knight with my very own horse. And together we've got the best costumes, haven't we, you two? Yes.
You really do. Oh, hold on just a minute. I've just got a text message. It's from your dad, Tony.
And that's when Mummy said, Tony's mum has just had a baby boy.
Tony's mum has just had a baby boy. And his name's going to be Jack.
Jack! 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 I like that name. Yay!
I think you will make a brilliant big brother, Tony.
I will. Yay! I'm a big brother.
Should we tell everyone about baby Jack at Vinda's party?
Yeah!
Come on then, let's go!
To us on horse. And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, Tim and Tony dressed up as a horse. Can you remember what they used for the horse's head? Was it an old shoe? Or was it a welly boot? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is a welly boot. Watch this. Let's practice walking. Ready? Ready. Left, now right. Left, right, 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 left, right. Hurry up, you two! Wow! Hey. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.